Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to use Canva.com to create a super easy and super basic logo for yourself when you're just starting out. So, without further ado, I value your time. We'll go ahead and get started. I'm just going to use this social media post right here from the main dashboard there. It's a frequently used size. It's nice and easy, and we'll go with it. I'm just going to type roof up there in the search bar. Oh, sorry, I'm on templates here. You can see nothing came up. So I'm going to actually go to elements and type roof. That's where I'm supposed to be. Sorry about that. And we're going to hit enter. That's going to bring up these sorts of things right here, all these designs for us that we can use. Of course, there's ones you can pay for, and then there's ones that are free as well. Doesn't matter to me which one you go with, but this is nice and easy. If you're trying to stay on a budget, you can certainly click free, and it'll bring up all the free ones for you to use. Now, under these free ones, what you're going to notice is that some of them are free with a crown, and some of them are just free. So, I don't know if you can see my cursor there, but I'm actually on the scalloped yellow photo over here on the middle left. And in the bottom right corner of that, it says free, and it just has a black box around it, or a black oval, or whatever you want to call that. The one next to it, the blue logo, says free, but it's got a crown to it. So I hovered over this, and you can see the little note that pops up. It says, as a Canva for Work user, you get this image for free. So I don't have the free base account. I actually have a paid subscription for Canva, which gives me access to all these ones with crowns on them. If you have just a standard free account, you're only going to have access to the ones right here with just the free and the black box around it, not the ones with the crown. So we're going to use this one right here, because this is nice and easy. So what we're going to do is click on these corners. We're going to drag this up and make it slightly bigger. That's going to center up for us, just like so. Then we're going to come up here. We're going to get some text. We're going to click Add a Heading. Now we can click and drag this down underneath. We're going to double click in there, and we're going to increase that size. You can see right now it's at 31.5. We're going to increase that to like 64. We're going to make this a little bit bigger. And then we're going to click in there, and we're going to use my last name, which is Baker Roofing. Just for demonstration purposes, to make this nice and easy, well, actually you don't even have to highlight that. You just click on the box, and then you come up here and can change the text to anything that you would like. All of these options, you can go with something a little more cartoonish, which I don't necessarily recommend, but if that's your personality, hey, whatever works. I'm going to go down here and find something that's fairly professional. I like this arsenal here, so we're going to go with that. I got a habit of highlighting that, sorry. Increase that size a little bit. We're going to go to 88. Then you can see I'm in the center of the page because I get that purple line there. And then we're going to hit Add Subheading. You can see it comes up there. We're just going to drag it down, center it up, and then we're going to type a phone number in there. Just use our phone number, 61. I keep highlighting that for some unknown reason. And I like that right there. That seems pretty nice. Get this all centered up here. And that's one thing. I think a lot of amateurs don't use enough spacing in their logos. So that's one thing I try to be pretty cognizant of. And you can see there that that's nice, basic, and perfect for when somebody's just getting started in the business. Now, if you want to turn that into a video logo and go one step further with it, you can click Download up in the top right corner and scroll down to Animation. You can click on Animation, and that gives you a nice basic video logo for a very, very small amount. Got numerous different options there. Ooh, I see a little issue with it not being centered up. Just correct that. Go down here to Animation again. Let's select something like that, and we'll hit Download. That's really as easy as that. It'll come up in your Downloads folder or wherever you save your downloaded files to, and you can start using any program or your video editor of choice to add that to videos that you shoot on your phone, your iPad, or within your computer. So to view that, we're going to click Open there. I'm going to hit the play button, and you can see we get a nice professional, albeit very, very basic, video logo. I wouldn't obviously recommend this if your company is doing a couple $100,000 or more a year in revenue, but if you're just starting out and just getting started, this is a nice, easy, very viable way to do so and still get a professional look. There it is again. I hope you learned something on this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us. Just hit the send a message button or type a comment below, and we'll be happy to reach out for you, or reach out to you, I'm sorry. If you're interested in getting a video logo, a much more professional video logo, we do charge $125 for those services, and you can send an email to tyler@roofinglogo.com. I'd be happy to help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.